What's up, everybody? Chef Zay, and welcome to another episode of the Pancake Chronicles. Today, we're going to be making a Johnny cake, aka hoe cake. Let's start with some cornmeal. And we're going to add half and half of all-purpose and cake flour. We're going to mix this in thoroughly, just to make sure that it's blended together. We're also adding our baking powder and our salt. Next, we're going to add our already beaten eggs. We're going to stir this in. Buttermilk. As you can see, there is no butter or no oil going into this pancake. Now, expect this pancake to be a little thicker than the ones we've made in the previous videos. It'll be a little bit thicker, and that's okay. These are actually going to be fried in a cast iron skillet. Now that we've mixed all of our batter, we're going to actually get our pan ready to go for our pancakes to be fried. We're going to use some lard, and we're also going to use some butter. Butter and lard, what a beautiful combination. And once you start seeing your fat snap, crackle, and pop, you know that it's actually ready to go ahead and enter your batter. So we're going to add a 1/4 cup of batter.
Real southern right here.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't it?
Yes, a southern dish. And we're going to let these cook for 5 minutes per side. Start flipping these over. All right, we'll let these cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to get them plated. All right, now our Johnny cakes are ready to be plated. We have 3 of them here. Now, Johnny cakes can be served sweet, or they can be served savory. It's up to you, your choice. We're just going to finish this off with a little bit of butter. Okay. So hoe cakes got their name from actually being originally cooked over the blade of a hoe over open fire. It's the name, hoe cake. Now we're going to add our syrup. Yeah. Okay, so here are our hoe cakes. Let's dive in. Very crispy, very crunchy, and has a very tender crumb. The cornmeal is the superstar of this dish. It stands out dramatically. But it's like a crispy, crunchy pancake. It's not airy, but it does crumble in your mouth very easily, and you will get that cornmeal taste that you're looking for. If you've enjoyed this content, please feel free to like it, share it, and subscribe. Much love. Chef Zay. Peace.